Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of PC cooling with a review of the Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120. Now, this cooler has been making waves in the market, promising top-tier performance at a budget-friendly price. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what you get in the box. The Phantom Spirit 120 comes neatly packaged with everything you need for installation. You'll find two 120mm fans, a dual-tower heatsink, a thermal paste, and all the necessary mounting hardware for both Intel and AMD sockets. Setting up the Phantom Spirit 120 is a breeze, whether you're on Team Intel or Team AMD. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the included instructions. Plus, with its compatibility with a range of sockets, including the latest LGA 1700 and AM5, you can rest assured knowing it'll fit your system. Now, let's talk about the features that make the Phantom Spirit 120 stand out. First up, is its dual-tower heatsink design. This setup allows for optimal heat dissipation, keeping your CPU cool even under heavy loads. And with its 7 copper heat pipes and nickel-plated copper CPU block, you're getting maximum thermal performance. Speaking of thermal performance, Thermalright didn't skimp on the thermal paste either. Unlike some other coolers that include a tiny tube, the Phantom Spirit 120 comes with a full tube of TF7 thermal paste. This means you'll have plenty left over for future builds or reapplications. Now, let's talk about the fans. The Phantom Spirit 120 comes equipped with 2 TerraLiters C12BB2 120mm fans. These fans are designed for low noise levels while still delivering excellent airflow. Plus, with their simple all-black design, they'll blend in seamlessly with any build aesthetic. So, after putting the Phantom Spirit 120 through its paces, what's the verdict? Well, I can confidently say that Thermalright has knocked it out of the park with this cooler. Not only does it deliver top-tier cooling performance, but it does so while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. And with its budget-friendly price tag, it's hard to beat in terms of value. That wraps up our review of the Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120. If you're in the market for a high-performance air cooler that won't break the bank, this is one to consider. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy building!